launched in 2020. The use of this mission means it will dig the soil and send to the soil sample. They will explore whether humans can live in the Mars or not. And this super camera will take photo and send the information to the antenna will send to the satellite will send to the Earth communication. This full rover works through only nuclear energy because not working solar energy because Mars have only 4 hours sunlight, sunshine, so that only it works in nuclear energy. We put game means it turn into 360 degree and rotate and take photo and send to the satellite and send to the Earth communication. Use of this rover means any obstacle in front of this rover means it will automatically off. This full rover is back through this helicopter in back of this because this only first big because this only important motion, so that only we make this big. This use of this mechanical is used to up and down